Firefox, how to open private tab. So boys and girls, this is very simple. All you have to do is open your Firefox browser. Now let's say you have some important cough cough research to do. So all you have to do is hold Control Shift and then press the P key, and as you can see, it opens a private browser, private tab. But if you want to just select it even easier than this, if you want to make it even easier than this, all you have to do is go to the settings option right here, and as you can see, you have the option to open a private window, and you can see the shortcut here as well. Like I told you, Control Shift and P. So if we just press it, it opens a private tab, private browser, so you can do all of your research on it. It is not like Google Chrome. You have to hold Control Shift and N. No, this browser requires you to press and hold Control Shift and P. So hope it helped you out. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you boys and girls next time. Bye bye.